Well, there are a lot of people out there who love cheeseburgers, and probably most Americans would say they like those. And joining me now with more on this is maybe a version of this is Molly Aden with Common Ground. Molly, it's good to see you today.
Yes, so May is beef month. So I kind of wanted to share a recipe on how I like to use some of our ground beef in the freezer. So these are called Bacon Cheeseburger Bombs. There's a lot of ways you can make them, but I like to make some of my favorite dough recipe. You can use Rhodes frozen rolls. You can use canned biscuits or crescent roll dough, whatever you prefer. You're gonna take it and make it into a ball. So make all of those ahead of time. I browned 1 pound of ground beef with half an onion, and I crumbled and cooked and drained 6 slices of bacon. So I'm gonna go ahead and add those to my ground beef. I've got 3 tablespoons of ketchup with a tablespoon of mustard, and you can definitely alter this as what your family likes. If they don't like mustard, you can opt it out or even add barbecue sauce. And then I'm gonna add in a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And then I really enjoy pickles on my cheeseburgers. So I chopped up 1/4 of a cup of pickles, and then you just mix it up so the cheese kind of helps it stick together, the fillings stick together. You're gonna take one of your dough balls and flatten it out to about 1/4 of an inch flat. And then take 1 heaping tablespoon of your filling and plop that right in the center of your dough. Pinch the dough all the way around your filling into a ball. So then I'm gonna take the seam side down and place it on the pan. And then I'll just repeat until I'm done with my dough and done with my filling. And then after that, I'll pop it into the oven at 350 degrees for, kind of depends on how big you make them. So smaller dough balls, I might put it in there for 15 minutes, and bigger ones, if you want to make them into a rectangle, that'll take about 20. So then when you're done, you just get these little pockets of cheeseburger. These refrigerate and reheat really well.
All right, Molly. Well, thank you very much. I know there's a lot of fans of cheeseburgers out there who are excited about this, and thanks for being here today.
Wow, those look amazing, and that recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page right now. If you want to copy it down, give it a try.
Sounds good.